Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone. All-ankle, ultra-tough, world Guinness record holder, IP69K water-resistant. Introducing our biggest battery yet, 8,300 million hours, 108 megapixel lossless capture camera with OIS, AI photo editing. Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone.
We are at the crucial stage as the CAF Champions League quarterfinals as the CAF Champions League this season. Ka 2025-2026, Mamelodi Sundowns against Stade Malien sangapha ke eMali. Sundowns making sure ukuthi they win at home 3 goals. Namhlanje Khuluso Mudau, there was also Ikram Reyners who scored the last one. Oh, I missed me. Brian Leon. Oh, Brian Leon. The second one, Brian Leon making sure ukuthi he gets his CAF Champions League goal. He's been scoring goals this season, Bobzin. Bonakala ngathi akafuni yeke uscore umfana. Uyabashaya mfowethu. Namhlanje is CAF Champions League. Abanye wali bedlala ileague, abanye bedlala iNFD. One team in South African football is playing CAF Champions League. Abanye badlala ileague. Sundowns is playing CAF Champions League. Normally ndidla ngokunxiba iskipa sami se Pirates kadlala iPirates, but then kadlala ezinye team my Arsenal.
Yeah.
But as judge, I should have just worn my Paris shirt because like the CAF Champions League, I'm not an outsider. I know that competition. I've played it. I won it. No one in South African football can talk about the CAF Champions League and not mention Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
So, Shabam. Yeah,
How many years ago?
How many years was it ago?
30 years ago, 31 years this year.
31 years this year.
Yeah, but ukusalayo i-Stars khona kubheje Orlando Pirates.
Yava. Bobzin,
Ibaphi abanganaso so.
akafuna mention amagama.
Akafuna umention amagama.
Bobzin, masingene kuye mhlobo, masingene kuye is CAF Champions League time for your team quarterfinals. Uyigqibile le tie? Is it done?
Yeah, 90%.
90% done.
Yeah. Because i-football but uma ungabheka the way i-Sundowns idlala ngakhona.
In the way the team idlala ngakhona.
Yeah, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ine-advantages i-Sundowns the way idlala ngakhona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma ngabe ikhona ukulida nga-3-0 shane. Khumbule 2016 when Sundowns beat iZamalek nge-3-1 aggregate score. Yafesala ekhaya nge-3-0. So kuba nzima for i-team ukuthi ngabuya from 3-0 down. Yes, kuyenzeka but it's not easy shane. Uma ungabheka na the way Sundowns i-performa ngakhona so far.
Masingene emdlalweni mhlobam, indoni ekonwabisileyo namhlanje. Ubone njani umdlalo wanamhlanje we-Champions League?
Yeah, ithi ngibulise uJust, ngibulise uJunior, uMestenkewu, ngibulise noTso.
Yeah.
Ngibulise nawe Shane, but before ngangena kulo mdlalo nginombuzo we1 for wena Shane. Awuyidingi iVAR la eMzansi?
P. Yeah, the PSL.
Yeah.
Yeah, VAR is needed. Any country that doesn't have VAR, they need it. In 2026, Bobzin, we shouldn't even be discussing whether we need VAR or not. We need it.
Yeah.
But 2026, we should have VAR. I mean, even if it's next season, I will still say we are 5 or 6 years late to see money, but I will be grateful if we see man.
Cabanga ukuthi unabo abantu bareda abantu abungayisebenzisa iVAR because ayidingi iVAR kuphela, dinga nabantu abazokwazi ukuyisebenzisa iVAR. Because kunabanye bayawathatha ama decision wrong via VAR.
I will make an example. Go Abongele Tom. Besimbukelo ke AFCON.
Yeah.
You saw how brilliant he was with the help of VAR.
Yeah.
So I can give them a benefit of the doubt or if we with the VAR, we might see improvement. But we never know. We never know. But based on what I've seen, AFCON, Abongele Tom, I can say okay. With the VAR, with the help of VAR, mhlawumbe or referee to bangathi improve and also take them to school. Into VAR ukuthi sebenza njani, take them to more training and next recruitment. That's what I always say ukuthi for example in England, you will never be a referee there and then Monday to Friday you are teaching abantwana esikolweni. Then on Saturday, you are giving me, for example, a Sundowns Paris game. So, mhlawumbi yenye yezinto SAFA that needs to put into consideration, okay, if it's no referee, these are professional referees. But remember, Tina Abeto referee, they are professional ngegama, but are they professional? No. They're not.
Yeah.
So, I think, Bobzi, mhlawumbi if we introduce VAR, we must also introduce professional referees.
Yeah, you're right, Shane, 100%. So, Shane, it is ngene game in my brother. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi the way le game sibona ngakhona Shane. iSundowns bengaphezulu kakhulu kulamajita. Uma ungabheka idominate konke ama department. I understand ukuthi mhlawumbe njengoba le team mangicabanga iyacala kufika kule stage. But nabo Pyramids sibabonile because of the quality bebanayo mabafika kule stage. Bake basibonisa something. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns sometimes Shane, each and every opponent ehlangabezana nayo igcina ibonakala njenge team weak. The way nginokuyibona iperforma ngakhona, because if bazokuncintsha ibhola Shane, kuba nzima for wena ukuthi ngabona istrength sakho. Because if baluza ibhola, they make sure ukuthi kumele bakupress bawine le bhola before ufuna ukucabanga Shane. So le team ukuzifike la kule stage kuso, uma ngabe le team iweak ngalendlela, kusho ukuthi lama team ewabhithile ne ona weak too much. You understand ukuthi ngizama ukuthini Shane, because ibuya eMali, I think by champion yaseMali, bango champion baseMali. Then bayafika badlala ama group stages. Siyababona bafika la ku last 8. La kule quarter final uma bafika babe position 1 ahead of Esperance kule group yabo. So kusho kona ukuthi kukhona mhlawumbe ku right abakwenzayo. Even though bangekho good enough, but kunento right abayenzayo. Unfortunately uma bafika kule game eMamelodi Sundowns, iSundowns ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-game plan yabo Shane ibe ihle kakhulu uma ungathi uyabheka. Ngizocala ngayo i-study ne. The way badlale ngakhona Shane, bafunile ukuthi bathi sidlala nge-CAF Champions League, but baya defender siyababona bazama ukuthi ba defend in numbers, but sifuna ukavala ama pockets ukuthi Sundowns ingadlali. The problem yabo ukuthi bashiya space behind the defense, and hila uNuno a dangerous khona. Hila abadlali abafana nabo Reiners nabo Leon bakwazi ukushala ama run behind the defense. Bheka nokukhulisa umdawo, the way a running ngakhona behind the defense kulesa space. So ukutshela lokho Shane ukuthi yes bayafuna ukudefenda, but kuba nomdlalo oyi1 kule defense yabo. Always onikeza iSundowns iadvantage ukuthi beko onside. Hamba uyobheka the way bafuna ukushaya offside trap yabo ngakhona. Akusi offside trap ningakwazi ukushaya line nonke. If kunomuntu oyi1 ozosala emuva, you understand? Kusho kona ukuthi Shane lamajita angicabanga ukuthi the way badlale ngakhona bebangayithola ne-away goal. Unfortunately yes, uma udefender kumele ukubonakala ukuthi okay udefender ukuthi vela ufuna ukuconcede, but uyadefenda ngapha unikeza iSundowns space bazokulimaza. Ngithanda the way uCaruso enze ngakhona kule ya team, because sometimes kumele uread game Shane. Uma ungabona phela iSundowns kule game yes score 3 goals, but badlale ngama chances. Badlale ngama chances. Yes, stage ekuso la le tournament, it's a big tournament, but utsono kusho ukuthi yazi umuntu uma umthola lele phansi imcedelela sala umkhahlela vele, because ifootball ngenye indlela ayinalo iqiniso Shane. Ngendlela ngutshela ngayinalo iqiniso. So uma ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe une team oyitholile ukuthi ilahlile, ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele uyipunish. So angicabanga ukuthi the way ba plan ngakhona be study bebanga ihlupha licembu leMamelodi Sundowns. Ngibone kune side engicabanga ukuthi beba ready for lona ukuthi bafuna uku-attack iSundowns. Lela side la ka left la lomdlalo uKhulibali yilabe ngicabanga ukuthi bafuna ukuya kulo la side la kakhulisa umdawo, because ngibone na the way Sundowns istructure ngakhona lapha in the middle of the park uTebza bekadlalela kakhulu ku right. Kusho ukuthi khona bekagadile abakubonile uma ba-analyze le game. Nabo wonke amabhola ugoalkeeper mabamba ibhola ulimikisa kule left side yabo, and bebasho mhlawumbe ukuthi njengoba ukhuliso azokhuphuka kumele uKhulibali kube uye umdlali osebenzisa lela side. Unfortunately alizange libasebenzele because the side elingapha la uAubrey khona akhuphuka ngakhona ila bebangafuni ukusebenzisa lela side. So ayikho into engibonile ngale team Shane engicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ibe i-threat. Kunenye ibhola engilibonile le free header eboxing it was poor defense for Imamelodi Sundowns. If we are going to allow ama opponent,
le corner, okay.
we understand.
Yeah.
Bazokwazi ukufika lapha bathole ama free header. And lo mdlalo ngambheka akabuyi from deep ukuthi uza ngapha uzoheada la ball ujumpa khona la kule defense yeMamelodi Sundowns. So ama mistake Sundowns yes winile but engwabonile ukuthi uma udlala kule stage odlala kuso les CAF Champions League ungawenzi la ama mistake because uzothola enye team enabadlali abafana nabo Innocent Mayela wenze le mistake they will punish you Shane. So kumele
Innocent Mayela retired from football.
Sorry man ngifuna ukuthi nithubani lo mdlali lo.
You know, now we know him very well.
Simazi kahle sorry yazi uma sengikhuluma ngalo mdlali
now simazi very well. That's Fiston Mayela.
Ithi Fiston Mayela uma ngithi Innocent ithi Fiston Mayela no phela mina ngikhumbula ukuthi kudala ngilibukela ibhola sekunabadlali no thanks for ukungikhumbuza Shane.
Yeah.
So abadlali abafana nalaba Shane ungabathola base boxini wenza lama mistake they will punish you and ekugcineni uzothini ila mathuba engwamistile. So ngiyacabanga Shane ukuthi iSundowns be deserve ukuwina Shane. They played very well Shane. Bheka the way ama wing back weSundowns adlale ngakhona. Bheka uKhuliso no Aubrey. Aubrey was playing 3 ema position. Was playing a left back. Was playing as a 8 sometimes. Aubrey was playing as a left winger. We understand. So ngendlela ngicabanga ukuthi uCaruso the way la machita aplana ngakhona. Always makhuphe ngama wing back Shane. There's no way ukuthi ungahluleka ukuthi uthola ama chances if i-team ifuna ukuvala lama pockets which means bazowavula lama side la khona ama wing back wakhe azokusebenzela because unabadlali abafana nabo Nuno Jaden Adams lot of players Shane abo Tebza badlale kahle kakhulu Shane i-defense Sundowns le center back beyinayo pressure but beyingana pressure kangaka because la majita bewahluleka nokushaya 5 touches ukuthi mhlambe bangafuna ukufeeda lesa strikers sabo you understand. So but the way iSundowns ibuye ngakhona kule ya game ngibonile ukuthi okay akuna mhlambe la ngithi mhlambe inekunzima khona that is why kuba lula for bona ukuthi bakwazi ukucirculate ibhola bakwazi ukuthi ba create lawo ma scoring opportunity phela uma ungabheka uTebs umdlalo ofana noAubrey uyena ngale kuKhuliso Shane lamajita bawenza ama box entries amaningi kakhulu decision making. Unfortunately umdlalo ofana noMatthews ngikutshelile ngithi khona la kumele ngimise khona for finishing because kunamanye amabhola uyabona ukuthi bekumele ukuthi aqede uMatthews you understand but yena uma ungambheka udlala kahle uMatthews Shane the way ucabanga ukuthi uAubrey angakhona manje uAubrey ukwazi ukuba ne recovery uAubrey ukwazi ukuthi noma khuphuka bakwazi ukumcover. So give credit man ku coach Caruso ngiyacabanga ukuthi abantu ebekade bayilindele ipiano nishushine bazoyibona manje the way lo mjita adlala ngakhona since from January Shane the way adlala ngakhona coach Caruso team yakhe iyangichaza kakhulu Shane because yes we are dominating a pole position uyakwazi ukcreate ama chances and bawa convert lawo ama chances. Bheka uReyners uma ngena wenza umsebenzi because le quality anayo ngiyacabanga ukuthi iyamnceda kakhulu because une top quality top striker ebenchini ukhipha lesi striker siyakuletha ufaka uAlende udonsa uJaden uma urest uJaden uAdams uyeza umdlalo ufana nobani noAlende ukunikeza something. Give credit also ku captain Shikapala I think ungene wayenza yonke lento nje yabalula the way beka circulate ibhola ngakhona ball rotation ngendlela mhlawumbe uma ucabanga ukuthi abadlali basebenchini bafuna ukumanage igames imanager ngale yadlela Shane. So ngiyabongisa mani Sundowns the way idlala ngakhona Shane if uzodlala iCAF Champions League ungaconsider ekhaya uba nama chances if you win ekhaya ungaconsideranga because ama away goal azokunceda uma udlala mhlawumbe le tournament efana nale Shane.
Thank you so much Bobzin. That's it. Khondo ufuna uyoleka mhlobam Qabile.
No ngicibile Shane. Sundowns winile nga 3-0 Shane. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi noma ibiza le 3-0 kumele uyibize because it's a big stage le iSundowns le game idlala kuyo today.
Okay. Let's close it. Divale mhlobam.
Ivale Shane.
All right. Okay. Loftus Stadium on Friday the 13th Mamelodi Sundowns 3 Stade Malien 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.